chimney. Ew. Ew. Who's there? Who's there? There's a second person over here. We're not plugging in there. Ah, fucking war. Ew. Here with my blanket. I'm here with my blanket. Let me watch this on my phone. Who the hell are you? Oh. Is that one? Oh, that's a person missing! Check the old nasty chimney. Chimney. Oh. Go, go. I'll go walk into my house. Oh. They want me with the dumb sticker. The dog is Oh! 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 I don't think this video's already done. What the hell is that baby? What the fuck is that baby? Oh, I don't like that noise, guys. Should you comment or not? No, I do not. Now he's saying, now he's saying this. Should I? Stop! Stop! I googled that you know. Oh no! That's a way Pongo. Look it. Ew! You just used the music to die on Died on the grass. That's a Dario by Cyrus Orion. Brought to you by www.bloglam.com. Dr. Nowhere 473. Thank you. Well, this is the end. Bye, guys.